Alright, here I am at Bogard. That's FEC's 202 all the way down there. Can't really see them right now, but going around the curve, 14th Avenue and 26th Street, these signals behind me will activate anytime soon. But on that triple head over there, you have a green over double red here at Bogard. You hear 'em? Oh, there you go. Another Conrail. Southern. There's the south. Look at this boxcar over here. There goes the EOT. May be able to see 101. I know he did not expect me to be here. Told him I would be at my regular spot, but I had a demo appointment and it's taking forever. Trust me. So yeah, it is what it is, but whatever. Anyways, stay tuned for, well, that's if I see 101. But here I am at Bogard. So if I see 101 today, I see him. If I don't, I don't. But continue to stay tuned.